In this video, we will be learning about breadboard. We will be creating basic electronic circuit using the breadboard, and we will see different types of breadboard, and we will see all these things in detail in this video. Breadboard are used for creating electronic circuit. They come in various sizes but all have the same purpose in order to create the electronic circuit. Let's see what is inside the breadboard. So remove the last two layers from the breadboard, the yellow layer and the foam layer. Then we will see that there are some metal connection. So you can see this very clearly. So if you see this image, you can see that holes are connected using the metal strips. You can see that breadboard is modular in nature. It has 3 parts. So you can even connect 2 or more breadboard to make a bigger breadboard. So when we are making a bigger project, we need a bigger breadboard. So you can combine several breadboard like 2, 3 or 4 breadboard to make a larger breadboard. So this is a small breadboard which you have combined with 4 breadboard. You can even combine with a large breadboard in order to make a bigger project. Let's understand this breadboard. So if I talk about the top and the bottom section, in this all holes are connected horizontally in the same row. And if I talk about the middle section, it is further divided into 2 subsections in which all holes are connected vertically in the same column. So there are some breadboard in which not all holes are connected in the same row. So you can see that there is a vertical line which divides the row into 2 parts. And there are some breadboard in which all the holes are connected in the same row. In the second breadboard, you can see that there is a straight red line and the straight blue line, which means that there is no division in this line, which means all holes are connected with each other. So this is small breadboard. It is similar to previous breadboard. In this, if I talk about the top and bottom section, all the holes are connected horizontally, and if I talk about the middle section, in which all holes are connected vertically. Let's see this example. If I insert both the terminal of the LED in the same column, it means that I have connected both the wires, both the terminals of the LED together, which means it is wrong. And if I connect the LED this way, it means both the wires are separate. So this is right. Let's study about jumper wire. So these are just a wire which I use for connecting 2 points together. So this is female to female jumper wires. Let's take the one jumper wire from this, and you can easily connect components. So this is male to male jumper wire. These can be easily used in the breadboard. You can easily insert the one end in the breadboard and other end in breadboard or in Arduino Uno. So these are most common jumper wires which we will be using throughout the course. So this is male to female jumper wire. You can easily insert this jumper wire in the sensor and other end in the Arduino Uno or in the breadboard. So these are also used commonly in the circuit. So let's make a circuit. So take the 9-volt battery and the breadboard and connect the positive wire in the first row. It means entire first row is having the positive supply from the battery. Connect the negative supply from the battery in the second row. It means the entire second row is having the negative supply from the battery. Now take the LED and connect in the breadboard. Now take the resistor and connect with the positive wire of the LED and connect the other end of the resistor in the positive supply of the battery and connect the other end of the LED with the negative supply of the battery. So now our LED will glow. Let's take a 9-volt battery and a battery connector. We have to connect these two. So as per the circuit diagram, we know that we have to connect the positive wire from the battery in the first row of the breadboard and the negative wire from the battery in the second row of the breadboard. So take the breadboard and connect the red wire, that is the positive wire, in the first row of the breadboard and the negative wire in the second row of the breadboard. So now take the LED, and we know that the long terminal of the LED is the positive wire, positive terminal of the LED, and the shorter leg of the LED is the negative terminal of the LED. So connect this in the breadboard. Now take the resistor and connect as per the diagram. Now take the another wire and connect in the negative terminal of the LED and connect this wire in the negative terminal of the battery, that is the second row of the breadboard. You can connect this wire on any hole in the second row because all these holes are connected throughout the row. So we have already studied that all these holes are connected in the second row. So let's modify our circuit. Take a push button and connect in the second row of the breadboard, that is the negative supply of the battery, and connect the negative terminal of the LED with the switch push button. So now you can turn on and off the LED using the push button. So I hope you find this video helpful. So please like, share, subscribe and comment, and we will be meeting in the next video. Bye bye.